lazy wash, right? Hi. So I'm about to start washing my hair, and I just wanted to take you guys with me. Unfortunately, I didn't start the video properly, so let me just say hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Masa Selka is my new thing. You have very trying to say hi to how you doing. I am about to renew my locks. I've had a long day of contemplating whether I want to unravel all this or to keep it. I've done this I don't know if it's 29th 8th September, so I've had this this is the second month now, and as much as I'm thinking about unraveling it, let me talk through while I work at it, because it's a bit late and I have a couple of other duties to do. My appointment for renewal is tomorrow morning, so I just wanted to include that in here. The only other time I'm sure about which hairstyle I'm gonna be doing to my hair is around the 20th of December. So I'm thinking, let me just renew this. So it's just water. First off, I just start off by watering my hair. I'm not gonna be using a shampoo. I'm just using this conditioner. That is literally how lazy I'm feeling about this whole thing. I'm just washing it all because, you know, these girls, when they do our hair, they always include gel. So, and also because I've been using it myself, and I just wanted my hair to get a bit of nutrients from this. This is I don't even give you the chance to look at it. Stand properly, ma'am. This is a long range conditioner. It's a brightening and moisturizing conditioner. It has EMP protein and it's made with pomegranate essence. I don't know what that does. Sounds fancy. Sometimes we just use these things because they look cute. What I know is normally when I have I literally sprayed that into my eye. Well, I mean, I had closed it, but what I've noticed with it is that it makes the curls pop. Okay, normally when I'm just keeping my hair, letting it out, and I don't have like locks or whatever, and I wash, I've noticed the kind of texture it gives my hair. It's really nice. If you have natural hair, you would literally appreciate it. That's how thick it is. I think most conditioners are thick, right? So my focus when I do this, especially the renewal is up next, is to focus on the roots, because they're literally the ones that I feel have a lot of build up. Alright, I'm gonna type this. I have a slight headache. I think that's also the reason why I was having issues with washing my hair or going to renew. A headache has nothing to do with my hair. It's hot. So that is why. The main focus, honestly, is this here, because this is why I normally apply, what is it called that I normally apply? I normally apply a lot of gel, yeah, you know, to change the hairs and whatever. So, that's our main focus is like right here. Literally, I could not wash my entire hair, but like, really focus right here. So this like gel that I use, I don't like how it smells. I also don't like it, because it literally sticks to your hair, but whew, when I tell you, at least the pesticide, they didn't get it. That sounds Zimbabwean project, some Zimbabwean product, and it really lays them down for real. So I'm just gonna do this, and then, massage it in. Then go off and wash this and dry it. This time I apply this with water, not to touch my roots at all costs. That's very important. I mean, not to touch my ends. If the ends are headache, guys, the ends are headache. There's nothing fun about trying to remove. About trying to dry locks. Not a thing. Not a single thing. Water over my head. And make sure that I'm dealing with the roots. Now, at the end of this, obviously, other parts of this hair is gonna be wet, but it's a lot better than having to deal with this, because this can dry sooner sometimes, but this can't. So I'm going to get washed. I'll be right back. It is with great disappointment that I'll pull up and admit to my inability to keep the rest of the hair out of water. Guys, I don't know why it didn't work this time. I've done it before, but I mean that they're not wet. I'm convincing myself. It's so wet. I've stopped drying my hair, not because it's dry. I'm tired. Does hair actually comprehend that it's tiring to dry it? So anyway, at this point I'm gonna let it air dry. I'll meet you guys tomorrow when I go to get the renewal. I hope what just happened. So anyway, I've stopped drying my hair, not because it's dry, but because I'm very tired and it's somehow, I don't know, today I don't have the energy, honestly. As much as I want my hair done, looks like I'm not necessarily willing to pay the price, but I tried. So from here I'm gonna let it air dry, unless of course I feel like which I want, drying it which I want. So I'll talk to you guys in the morning when I go get the renewal. I hope I'll be able to get a video of the renewal. There's not really so much going on at the time. I'll just try to get a little clip or something. But yeah, the hair falls light off the washing though. I was just somehow the ends decided to join in and get wet, and now they don't want to dry as soon as, because this has dried for the most part. Almost said it has, but like for the most part, compared to the roots, to the ends, because the ends have been trying to dry them and they don't want, and I don't have the energy. Right? I'm tired, so I'm gonna take a breather and hope it air dries while I wait. But I'll just show you guys what it looks like tomorrow after renewal and at the renewal thing also. So yeah, see you for now. It just dawned on me that since the last time I said I was going to do my hair, I never continued my video to show you guys how my hair looks. Unfortunately, this is a day later. I was unwell yesterday, so there was no vlogging whatsoever. I was just being a big baby. Oh, see that? Looks brand new. It looks brand new. I didn't do my baby hairs, or rather I didn't comb my edges. So right now I'm having a client pulling up, so I need to go get some stuff ready. Because after so many years of being together, I came across that job. There was nothing in it. I didn't even say goodbye whatsoever. It just disappeared and I didn't get it. Oiling my hair. This is the natural. I just want to do this to my edges because I renewed my hair and I haven't given it time to recover and relax. So I don't want to lose my edges. I need to keep them oiled. And then I'm gonna go in with this soften free hair expert black castor oil anti-dandruff curl spray, whatever. Probably shouldn't have tied my hair. Definitely not ideal. I was just gonna do the one that's here, and then I just remembered I had washed my hair and I haven't oiled it since, except for the front. That's why I normally just get bothered with. Ooh, my hair's lower, people. the head rather. It's sore. Ooh, oh, the cold. Ooh, making so many sounds today. You see that? Hey, this renewal looks swart. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. This renewal and the locks themselves were done by OJ's hair. You can check her out on Facebook, and also if you found anything in here helpful, this was literally a lazy way of washing locks or braids or whatever you have on. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.